G'day, it's Rob here from North Coast Motor Classics. Today we've got a 1981 CB900 Supersport. Nice clean bike. Runs like a top. Really good engine in it. Done 31,000 miles on the clock. Putting your brake master cylinder on it, putting your pads in the front, your oil filter, spark plugs, seat cover on it, original seat cover. It's got a few little marks around the place on the original paintwork, but again, you heard it is 37 years old now, 38 years old. Got a little bit of mark here. Good chain of sprockets. It's missing the left-hand side cover, but we have got one in order. A little bit of a dent there. But it doesn't look like it's ever been laid over. There's no gouging of the cases or anything like that, no broken fins on the carbs. Sorry, on the barrels. Hasn't thrown a chain. Good tyres all round. Good clean bike. Nice fork chrome.